Hey guys, welcome back again to the channel. So today I have a very short tutorial for you guys on how you can find your Windows product key if you want to format your PC. And I know it might seem a dumb video, but actually I ran into this problem myself, so I decided to share it with you because I almost lost my Windows 10 product key, so I had to buy a new one if that would have happened. So basically I wanted to format my PC, but then I remembered that I got my Windows key digitally, so I don't have it written down, I don't have it physically on the box. I just bought the key and got the key via email, so I decided to check my email before doing the format because I thought I already had the key. But when I searched my email, I realized that I have deleted that message. So basically I didn't have my Windows product key, which means if I had done the format, I would have lost my product key, so I would have bought a new one. So that's why I'm doing this video, so you guys don't miss this and you guys don't lose your product key if you find yourself in the same situation as me. So basically if you go to the product key activation windows, you have a link here, find my product key, and it says in here that if the product key is required, it can usually be found in the confirmation email you received, which is my case, or in the box of Windows which it came. So obviously I don't have it, and I guess you don't have it since you're here. So if you have, or if you have even lost your key for any reason, this is the video for you. Okay, so first things we need to do, obviously go to the search bar, write down reg edit. So we go to the registry editor and we open it. After we open the registry editor, I have mine already open, but you will have yours closed. So this is the link where we are going, or the path where we're going to need to go. So basically the first one is HKey local machine, then you go to software, then you go to Microsoft, then you go down until you find Windows NT, then you go to current version. Then the final step is to go to software protection platform, and here if you look up to the right you have backup product key default. So basically this is the key that you want to save because this is the Windows key that you can use to reuse or to reactivate your Windows after you format your PC. So basically that was it, but you have to keep one last thing in mind. This works only with the current PC that you have. So if your product key is a one PC only product key, you can use it only on this PC. If it is a multi-PC key, then you can use it on multiple PC. So you can this means that you can change hardware on your PC. But if you decide to format the PC because you have changed hardware, mainly the motherboard, if you change the motherboard, then the one product key is not going to work on the new motherboard because it will detect that as a new system, so it will not work because this current key that you have, if it's only one use, obviously it's linked with your current hardware. It's not going to work on new hardware. You are going to need a new key anyways, but you can give it a try, but I'm pretty sure it's not going to work, especially if you change your motherboard. I have tried changing the CPU, GPU, RAM, SSD, and the key doesn't change. But when you change your motherboard, which I have already done in the past, then you will need a new product key. It will not recognize this one because it is already linked to your previous motherboard. So keep this also in mind if you are doing the formatting because you are changing your motherboard. This key unfortunately is not going to work for you. But as I told you anyway, give it a try. Who knows? Maybe it works. It doesn't hurt to try, but I don't think it will. Let's say that 99.9% of the cases it will not work. Alrighty then, that was it for today. Thank you very much for being here. As usual, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. That will help very much the channel grow, and also leave a like. That will help the algorithm of YouTube to recommend the video to new people. And yeah, as usual, I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.